Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to fix Roblox audio not working. So firstly, you have to open Roblox and get into a game. After getting into the game, we have to check out the settings menu. To do that, press escape, go to the settings menu. Make sure that the volume is set to maximum. The output device is set to the correct one that you're using right now. Also, the input device is set to the correct one. If all of these settings are okay, there will be no issues with your audio in Roblox. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.